Are you looking for some inspiration on how to decorate, organize, and remodel your home? Then you've come to the right place. I'm Pam, and this is Creative Homescaping. Welcome to my channel. I post several new videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including seasonal decor, shopping hauls, tablescapes, DIY projects, home organization, and home remodeling. So, if those topics interest you, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button in the description box or the icon in the corner of this video. That way you'll be sure to be notified every time I post a new video. And to be notified immediately, you can click on that bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll get an instant notification of when I've posted my videos. I hope you'll join us in this community here. I thank you for watching and take care. Bye-bye.